Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix problem that theme change option not showing on Instagram. So guys, if you're using iPhone and having this type of problem that if you want to change your theme on Instagram and theme change option not showing, so guys, simply you can get that option. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, here you can see when I am going to open my Instagram, as you can see I have used simple theme that is white. So guys, if I am going to change my theme, as you can see, click on settings and privacy, and guys, if you have that option, then guys you will find here in accessibility. As you can see here, I can't find any option of theme change. So guys, how can you get back? Simply, first of all, you need to go back, and guys, after this, due to update this problem, this theme change option is missing. So guys, simply you need to update first. And guys, now I am going to update my Instagram. As you can see, simply here you need to search your Instagram. And guys, after this, you need to update your Instagram. As you can see here, I have an update. So guys, simply first of all you need to update your account, and guys, after doing this you need to go back. And guys, the second step is you need to log out your Instagram account, and guys you need to log in another Instagram account. And guys, when you will find theme change option, then guys you need to log in again this account in your Instagram. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. If still not fix your problem, then guys you need to click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, and guys below you need to click on help, click on report a problem. And guys, after this, here you need to write your problem that you are facing related to theme change option, and guys upload a screenshot. And guys, after this, simply you need to send your problem, and guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.